Give thanks for Mono for coming to Jamaica. Let me try it first now to get a balance. That's going to be the bass line. Play it, make a tune it. Hold on, let me set there. Caveman and Mono.
Yeah.
At it. That is the pattern. Yeah, it's the first it's been done. The Mbira playing on the reggae drums. Only in the cave.
Keep I smart, oh Jah. Keep I smart. Keep I smart. Nice.
Wicked! Remember me tell ya? Yeah, Zim Jam session.
You don't know, Rico Bantan in the house.
Yeah.
Play one thing, man, show something, gotta get around. Hey. Yeah, man. I Rico Bantan, you know. Enough love. Here you go.
I woke up this morning, say a prayer, brush my teeth and burn a spliff. Jah provide I some breakfast, so out of my favorite cup I took a sip.
I was thinking we could record these vocals whilst
Yeah, man, we're
whilst I
going
record the
to
video,
do a thing with him.
so that we
I'm
get
just balancing up the rhythm that.
Keep I smart, oh Jah. Wait, look, yeah, gonna get some light, look at it, wait. My heart is overwhelmed with a good team. It sound crazy up in here. My tongue is the pen of a ready writer. Magani night, right? Magani want too much, right? Alright. Rastafari, now you can give it. Come this, sir. Punch me this, sir.
to sync it to the video. If we punch in, it won't work. So can we just take it, even if you make a mistake?
Alright, no problem, man. Alright.
Okay, we are now taking the final take.
My heart is overwhelmed with a good team. I recite the composition concerning the Lord God Rastafari. I wrote that track when I wrote that track, man.
You wrote it long ago.
2009.
2009. Also, you just fixed it into this
Yes,
song.
this is the first time I'm trying it on a rhythm in the studio.
Oh, nice.
I always like reverse it at
Started on a
home.
Zimbabwean style rhythm. So we played the Mbira and the bass from the Mbira as well. So he's trying to fatten it up so that it sounds, it has some bottom.
Yes! Musical creativity, that's what we do in the cave, yeah? Caveman and Mono. Yeah, we're creating this Mbira beat on the reggae drums. You're gonna love it.
Monolize it.
Let everything that has sound be monolized.